Damn it. That's the bird I got.
Yep.
Get him.
Hold this, Mr. Daddy, and I'll go get that thing.
Go ahead. Get him. Get him out of there. Get him out of there.
Come on, brother. Show me where he's at. Okay. Yep. Got his wing, he couldn't fly.
I knew I hit it.
I needed to. There you go. Let me relieve you of something.
Yeah, let me.
Wring his neck and put him up.
Okay. Can you put him in for me?
I sure will.
Just come in this way. There you go.
All right. Thanks, sir.
Well, we ain't skunked.
No, sir.